Well, everyone, Mother Nature doesn't know what she wants to do out here in Willow. We just spent quite some time in the negative 30s, and then she drops all this fresh snow on us. We had to dig these trails out just to do our goat chores this morning. Fun times. Let's see what we got here on the ruler of our measuring platform. Well, there's 12 inches and it is above it. So I got a good 13, 14 inches. Got the tractor warming up. Plow all this snow out the way. It's gonna be a good day. When you gotta empty the tractor bucket of shavings and pee and poop before you can even plow, you just push through the snow.